be the last time I'm getting gas and driving this car, more or less. I feel like I still needed more time with this thing, man. I don't know. But my boy picked it up, and you know what? Don't worry, guys. If you really want to keep seeing videos on this car, I will borrow it back from him once in a while and just, you know, make a couple videos on it, because I absolutely love driving this thing. There's just something about having a manual V8, you know, and listening to it all day long. I'm gonna miss it, but the new car is definitely gonna be something you guys are gonna grow to love. I promise you that. The sound it makes, I think you guys are gonna lose your mind. And the craziest thing about that car is the way it makes a sound. It's so deep, and you only really feel it and hear it when you're sitting right in front of it. That's when you, like, the videos will not do that thing justice. You really need to hear it, like, in person. Miss this car. Oh shit, that sounded amazing. Look how many people are out and about. Holy shit. I love how it pops, but you can control the pops just by letting on and off the throttle. Like, look at this. Give it a little tap. A little tap. So friggin' my cell phone magnet mount is in the new car, so I'm having to friggin' deal with this phone just flopping around everywhere for the next couple of hours. Oh, look at that. My G! Oh my god. I've never seen a blue one before. Twilight blues are so rare. So I really hope you guys like V8s. From what I can tell from the Google Analytics and shit, the most, like, top 6 or 7 most popular videos on my channel are all V8 content. So despite me building the G, boosting it, you know, all that shit, this, that, how fast it is, no matter what, the V8 shit is what you guys want to see. So guys, guess what? I listen, you know, I picked up this 540 and I love V8s. It's not just that, you know, I'm not just doing it for you, I'm literally doing it for myself too. But I absolutely love V8s, and if you guys have seen the video with the new car I picked up, I'm sure you guys will absolutely love it. So we are going to be saying goodbye to this, but that new car is going to be absolutely insane. All right, and I promise you, you guys are going to want to watch the videos I'm making of it. Like, if you've seen the videos, if you guys have enjoyed the videos I've been making so far with this shit, just wait till you see the videos I'm going to make with that shit. All right, so I wanted it my whole life. Like, I'm telling you right now, man, it's been like since we were like 17, 18 years old, and we'd see like that shit pull up on like Top Gear and stuff, and you know, just listening to the sound of that V8, oh my god, I'm like, I have to have one of these one day. It just never made sense to buy one. They were so expensive. But now, you know, like, stuff's going good, and I'm like, why not, right? Like, I can make it happen. I can make it happen. I know you guys are gonna absolutely love the content that's coming. So make sure you guys subscribe, and don't forget to click that little bell to make sure you guys get notified whenever any videos go up. What are you doing? The way the sound of this engine echoes back off of other cars is absolutely nasty. Like, those are big gunshots, holy shit.